Okay, basically for CPass, I mean, since he commented on the CPass video that I have, I will assume that you have 2 to 3 Shopee and Lazada store, and all of them have CPass, or you do plan to have to get CPass access for all of them. Now, in that case, here's my suggestion. Okay, first thing first, if you're going for CPass access, if you do not know what is CPass, go over to my YouTube channel and look for CPass. Basically, it's an access that is given to marketplace sellers. Like for example, if you're selling on Shopee and Lazada, like if you have CPass, like Shopee is going to give you a catalog access to all your products that you have in your Shopee store. So in turn, you can start running retargeting ads, targeting people who go to your store and don't buy, or even people who go to your store and bought something and you want to upsell and cross-sell, all these kind of very powerful targeting features available. Now, if you are planning to get CPass for your stores, my recommendation is you create a new Facebook ad account for the CPass access purpose. Very simple, okay? Because the moment you have CPass access, the moment you have access to your catalog given by Shopee, for example, Shopee will also in turn have access to your Facebook ad account. So they will be able to come in and see how do you spend, how much you spend, how do you do targeting, how do you run your ads. In fact, it's kind of like a both way kind of thing. So if you have your own plan, like for example, you will run some CPass because you committed in some of the programs or something like that. But on top of that, you also want to run some ads on your own to drive different kind of different kind of traffic to your different stores and all that. So if you have 2 to 3 Shopee stores, every one of them, if you want to get CPass, get a new account for all of them. And then you can have a backup, a main account that you can run ads on your own that Shopee or Lazada won't have access to, to do whatever you want. So that's kind of like the practice that I would advise you, because a lot of my coaches does that. You see, if the moment you are running on CPass or something like that, get ready to have a lot of ad accounts. So you need to learn how to structure the whole thing in a very effective way. And you need to also learn how to name this ad account right. But it's really on your own. You got to really kind of understand how you want to do this thing. So yeah,